Okay. Which two statements are true? Now it's not true, false, not given. It means which two statements are correct for both the supermarket and voice experiment. Now listen, go back to the passage, underline the word supermarket and voice experiments. Supermarkets and voice experiments. Second page of the passage, first paragraph, the word supermarket is there. And voice experiment is in the very next paragraph. Clear? Underline supermarket and voice experiment. Got it, everyone? The second page of the passage, first paragraph, there is the word supermarket in third line. And the word voice experiment, that is there in third last paragraph. Mil gaya sabko? Okay, now we are going to skim read. Please come to supermarket. I'm reading it from second line. To examine choice blindness, Hall and colleagues, 2010. Found it? Everyone? 2010, okay? Invited supermarket customers to sample two different kinds of jams and teas. After participants had tasted or smelled both samples, they indicated which one they preferred. Subsequently, they were purportedly given another sample of their preferred choice. On half of the trials, however, these were samples of the non-chosen jam or tea. Now, first they gave them the jam and tea, then they gave them a non-chosen one. As expected, only about 1/3 of the participants detected this manipulation. First they gave them a different jam. After that they said, okay sir, try this again. But that was a different one. They say, yeah, this is better. Now, go back and find something. On half of the trials, however, these were samples of the non-chosen jam or tea. A, B, C, D. E is percentage results were surprisingly low. Not at all. Surprisingly low is not mentioned. A is researchers focused on non-visual material. No. Absolutely. It's C. Some of the choices made by participants were altered. They made a choice and they changed it. Now please come back. On half of the trials, however, these were samples of non-chosen jam or tea. Non-chosen means they altered their choices. I mean, you choose one thing and then next time then say, okay sir, you chose this one, but that was different one. And people did not even realize. Okay. So, the correct answer is C over here. Now we go to voice experiment. Please come to voice experiment. Next paragraph. Found it? Recently, the phenomenon has also been replicated for choices involving auditory stimuli. I'm reading from next. Specifically, participants had to listen to 3 pairs of voices and decide for each pair which voice they found more sympathetic or more criminal. Understand? Right? 3 pairs of voices. Which voice was more sympathetic means dard bhari awaaz and more criminal. मैं तुम्हें मार डालूंगा. Something like that, okay? Criminal voice. The voice was then presented again. However, the outcome was manipulated for the second voice pair and participants were presented with the non-chosen voice. Now let's go back. They were given 3 pairs of voices and all that. Oh gosh. Very, very simple. Voice is a non-visual material. Voice is a non-visual. Non-visual means it is verbal. And what is visual? Pictures. Right? So the researchers focused on non-visual material. That is option A. And what is non-visual material? Voices. And for that they use the word 3 pairs of voices. Okay? No. Questions 39 to 40. साढ़े नालों काले थे साढ़े नाल वाले ने बाकी यासीन की तरह सोया हुआ है जाग रहे हैं अच्छा जी choose 2 letters A to E. Which 2 statements are true for the psychology experiment? Underline psychology experiment conducted by ना मैं नहीं पढ़ सकता. Okay, there are 3 people. Don't try to read the names even. Yeah. That's what they say, Punjabi nu khasma nu khane mar jane. Yeah. So let's see. Psychology experiment. Which paragraph? Second last. Let's read it from there. Naam ko chhod ke. Investigated choice blindness for intensity ratings of one's own psychological symptoms. Their participants had to rate the frequency with which they experienced 90 common symptoms. Underline 90 common symptoms. Okay. For example, anxiety, lack of concentration, stress, and headaches. On a 5-point scale. Now, what they had to do? They had to see how many symptoms? 90 common symptoms, and then they had to give them on a scale of 1 to 5 means 5 is maximum, 1 is minimum. So let's see. Please come back. Oh, that's very simple. Option B. Very good. The participants gave each symptom a 1 to 5 rating. For rating, they use the word scale is the word for rating. Exactly. So B is the first correct answer. Let's go on. After full stop. I'm reading it from 4th line. Prior to a follow-up interview, the researchers inflated ratings for 2 symptoms by 2 points. Okay. For example, when participants had rated their feelings of shyness as 2, that is occasionally, it has changed to 4, that is all the time. Now please read from here. This time more than half, 57% of the 28 participants were blind to the symptom rating escalation and accepted it as their own symptom intensity rating. 57%, and they were blind to this situation. Come back. Now just focus what options are wrong and you will reach the right one. Option A, participants had to select their most common symptoms. No. Option C, shyness proved to be most high. No. Option D, participants changed their mind about some of their ratings. No. Rating thing is gone before. Now we are left with option E. Researchers focused on the strength and regularity of symptoms. Please come back. Strength, yes, occasionally and all the time. Very good, excellent. You found the point. Well done. Occasionally and all the time. So occasionally is, what is strength and what is regularity? All the time is regularity? No, occasionally is, no, it's different, it's different. Just focus this thing. All the time and occasionally, right? So for occasionally and all the time, they used strength and regularity of symptoms. Occasionally can be regularity and all the time is strength. Yes, that's right. Good.
For example, when participants had rated their feelings of shyness as.
But actually, you know, when we talk about strength and regularity, it's that point. It isn't that. आप कौन सा point कह रहे हैं? No, listen. Just focus. Most highly rated symptom, not mentioned at all. Most highly rated symptom.